All right, guys, I showed you this the 2022 WRX. Again, I got a couple stuff I want to show you. I want to see what you guys think. It was in, some of the body kits were in red slash purplish. Now they are in black. So what do you guys think about this one? Have it in black. Frankly, I think this body kit is probably even better slash nicer. TN coilovers looks that way. 255/30 ZR20. The big stop deck brake, BBS wheels again. I like the way they did this. That looks good. Side skirt. And here's the back, two-piece rotors and wheels. Also with the TN coilovers again. This one is black. And the big wing, actually the big wing looks pretty good. You guys saw the exhaust already. And I do really like the lava tail lights. These look like all STI parts too. So here you go again, a full look of the 2022 WRX STI again, but differently with a black accent instead of red. What do you guys think? So here it is, guys. Just a little update, different accent. I think it looks better with black and white. It stands out a little bit. So 2022 WRX. Hope you love it. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.